Good day everyone, my name is Julian Reyes Tabobo. So my topic is all about linear equations and absolute value. So what is linear equations and absolute value? A linear equations is when variables can be defined as ex plus b is equal to 0. Where e is equal to 0, the equations can be solved using the different properties. So, ex plus b is equal to 0. So, this is the given. Ex plus b is equal to b. B is equal is negative. Ex plus b negative b is equal to negative b. So, this is the additive inverse. And then, ex is equal to b. So, this is, we simplify. And then, x is equal to negative b over a. This is, it is a multiplicative inverse. So, absolute value. So, what is absolute value? This absolute value of a can be defined as a is equal to af. A is non-negative and has no solutions if a is negative. So, if a is negative, so wala siya solutions. No solutions can be presented. So, how to solve absolute value equations? So, paano ba natin isolve ang absolute value? So, first, isolate the absolute value expressions to one side of the equal signs. So, you need to observe the absolute value expressions sa pikas to one side of the equal sign. So, dapat siya i-isolate. Then set the inside of the absolute value equal to positive and to the value on the equal signs. So remove the absolute value bar these steps. In the second step is you need to remove the absolute value bar. So itong parang bar sa kilid sa A. So and then if needed for the variable in these two new equations. So how to, so here is the example. Number 1, solve for x slash 4x negative 2 is equal to 8. So 4x negative 2 is equal to 8, and then so second is 4 open parenthesis negative 3 over 2 close parenthesis negative 2 is equal to 8, and then negative 6 minus 2 is equal to 8. So they have a same sign, so we need to add it. And then the answer is negative 8. So you need to copy the sign of the big numbers. So negative 8 is, and then the answer, lastly, the answer is 8 is equal to 8. So another example of how to solve absolute value equations. So this is the another example. Positive 1 minus 5a is equal to 29, and then 1 minus 5a is equal to 29. So negative and then negative, and then next is negative 5a over negative 5. So the answer is 28 over negative 5. So next 4 is equal to negative 28 over 5. So this is the answer. And then in the other side, 1 minus 5a is equal to negative 29. Negative 1 and to the other side is negative 1 also. So negative 5a over negative 5 is equal to negative 30 over negative 5. So a is equal to 6. So the final answer is negative 28 over 5 and 6. So this is the answer. So another one example. So negative 2r minus 1 then is equal to 11. Negative 2r minus 1 is equal to 11. Positive and then positive 2r 2r over negative 2 is equal to 12 over 2. So the answer is negative 26. So that is the answer. On the other side, negative 2r is equal to 1. Negative 2r, negative 1 is equal to 11. Positive 1, and then to the other side is positive 1. Negative 2r over 2 is equal to negative 10 over 2. So the r is equal to 5. So this is the example of linear equation absolute value. This is it is simple also, so hopefully you can learn something or anything. So that will be all. Thank you.